Thank you for joining us at Prepress It Up. This is 3 quick ways to add bleed in Adobe Illustrator. The first way that we add bleed is to select the overall image and enlarge it. With the overall image selected, open the scale window and enlarge proportionally by 102%. Just be mindful of the edge of your document. You do not want to cut off important text or images, so double check that. The second way to add bleed is by stretching the image disproportionately. With the document selected, you do this by adding 1/4 of an inch to each side. Just remember that you are stretching the image on the width and the height. This is definitely not the best way to add bleed, but if you are in a time crunch, this will help you. The third way to add bleed is by mirroring the document. The scaling does not change. Mirroring the document is accomplished by duplicating the image and moving it to the edge of your document and reflecting it. To give your image a nice clean look, you apply a clipping mask to the edge of your bleed. This is an easy way to add bleed. So there you have it, 3 quick ways to add bleed in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for joining us at Prepress It Up.